In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts in HubSpot. By the end, you'll be able to safely remove a contact you no longer need, while avoiding the common pitfalls that can come with deleting CRM data. First, log into your HubSpot account. Make sure you're using an account with permission to delete contacts. If you're unsure, check with your admin before you start. Once you're in, head to the CRM. Depending on your navigation, you may see CRM in the main menu, or you can simply go to the Contacts area from the top navigation. Next, open Contacts. This brings up your full contact list. Use the search bar to quickly find the person you want to remove, or apply filters like lifecycle stage, owner, or last activity to narrow the list. Searching by a unique detail such as an email address is a great way to avoid mix-ups. Take a moment to confirm you've got the right record. Double-check the contact's name and any key details so you don't delete the wrong person. Click the contact to open the detailed view. Here you'll see the timeline in the middle, the About section on the left, and associations like companies, deals, and tickets on the right. This is a good time to scan for important notes, logged calls, or open deals that might be affected if the contact is removed. At the top of the contact record, click the Actions dropdown. In most layouts, you'll find it near the contact's name. From the menu, select Delete. HubSpot will prompt you to confirm. Read the message carefully. Deleting a contact removes it from your lists, reports, and workflows, and it can impact attribution and activity history. In some accounts, you may see options to permanently delete data to meet compliance requirements. Choose the option that matches your organization's policy, then confirm. Note that associated records like companies, deals, and tickets are not deleted, but their link to this contact will be removed. That's it, the contact is deleted. If you made a mistake, some accounts allow restoring recently deleted records from a recycle or restore area for a limited time, but don't rely on that as a safety net. When in doubt, export the contact's information before you remove it, or check with a teammate to confirm the record is truly no longer needed. You can repeat this process for any other individual contacts you need to clean up. If you're managing a larger cleanup, consider using filters to identify the right records first, then proceed carefully one by one to avoid removing something critical. Thanks for watching. Now you know exactly how to navigate to your CRM, open contacts, locate the right person, and delete the record using the Actions menu with confidence.